Okay, we have gotten all our data written down, and now it's time to graph. Okay, so graphs show data in a really easy to view format. There's lots of different ways that you can graph, but we're going to use this graphing tool right here for now that is linked there. Okay, so we're graphing speed of two different toys. So we actually are going to use a bar graph for this one. And I'm going to go ahead and click on bar, and I want it to be vertical and I want it to be rectangular. And the colors and stuff like that, not a huge deal right now, but just know that you can kind of change stuff around if you want to. Okay, so the first little tab says design, the second one says data. So I'm going to go to data. All right, graph title, and I'm going to say speed of wind, oh boy, up toys. Good. And on the x-axis, I want it to be the type of toy. Notice these are titles, so I'm capitalizing them. And then speed, and I'm going to put the units, centimeters per second. And I don't need a source. And I'm only going to have two pieces of data. So item label 1 is going to be chicken. And item label 2 is capybara. Oh boy. Okay. Now, how did I know how to do all this? It's because I teach it. That's really it. So I'm going to, oh, did I spell capybara wrong? Come on. Guys, I think that's right. No, it's not. Now it's right. So I know my title, I want it to be specific. I know I want to talk about the speed of the wind-up toy. I know my axis on the x-axis is going to be type, and I know my y-axis is going to be speed. It's just because that's kind of the way that worked. If you've graphed before, either in science or if you've graphed before in math, you would know this too. But if you don't, that's totally okay. So now I've got my two things, and I'm going to go back, and I'm just going to take the average speed. Remember, in math, we often call the average the mean, and the average speed for the chicken is 0.73 centimeters per second. And I'm just going to copy and paste it. And there we go. And I don't think it's going to like the centimeters per second in there, so I'm going to delete it. All right, let's go back to the capybara, and I'm going to do the 1.08. I did round my numbers. Can you tell? If you don't want to, that's okay too. All right, so now I've got my titles. I've got my data set. I think I'm ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and hit labels because that's the next tab down. I don't think I need to do anything here. And now I'd like to do preview. Look at that. Does this look right? I've got speed of wind-up toys. I've got the type of toy down here. I've got the speed over here in centimeters per second. Yeah. Now, I could save this as an image, but I think it's way easier just to take a screenshot, which I actually can't do while I'm screen recording. But I would take a really quick screenshot, and then I would crop it, and I would put it right here underneath the little graph tab where it says, take a screenshot and place it below. Sound good? Good luck, people.